welcome back to my channel. Today I have part 2 of the Fun Fair mystery. This time they changed the letter inside, so I'm going to have to look at that in just a second. This one is Into the Woods. It's part 2, so we have Crackling Campfire. So that should be the candle and bath bomb in here. And then whenever you solve a mystery, you unlock a rare piece of jewelry, and then you can add it on as like a freebie whenever you make your next purchase. So here's the ring that I got this time. It's a very pretty purple center stone, but then it also pulls all different colors. And they are all engraved. This one, it looks like it says Nova. So let's take a look here. Important. Although you've come to know me as Amy Newton, my real name is May Winton. So there's a whole storyline here. If you want to pause it and read it. So basically the storyline is about witches, and you have to find 9 relics or 9 jewels before Halloween. And then back of each card you'll see the rings for that collection as well. They've all been pretty interesting. I'm not sure how I'm gonna feel about this collection, but we'll see. So here is the bath bomb. Some flames imprinted on it. That's pretty cool. Kind of smells like Wicked. Oh, and it's in an all black jar. It's giving off some Wicked vibes. Not exactly the same scent, but it does have a wood wick, so it'll make a crackling campfire noise. So, cool jar. I'm gonna go ahead and start burning this, put it on the warmer, do all that fun stuff, and I'll insert the demo so you can see what rings I get. So I had to blow this out because it was like really smoking, and I get that it's supposed to be a campfire, but in the past, that suet or whatever comes off of it has in fact left stains on my ceiling in my other house, so yeah, not doing that. But I have had it on the warmer for several hours, and this is all like liquidy, so I'm just gonna try to push that down and get the package. We're gonna see how that goes. Maybe we're gonna make a mess, I don't know. Should all be liquid except for the very top. But it does make a little crackling campfire sound, so it's pretty cool. What is that, wax? Or is that the package? Package? It's the fun of dealing with black wax. You don't really know because you can't see through it. Yeah, that's the package. Cool, that wasn't hard at all. And the candle didn't really get ruined. I'm definitely more of a fan of putting it on the warmer anyways. Mainly so that you don't have to trim the wicks and do all that other stuff. And I'm probably gonna need another paper towel, so let me grab one of those. Okay, and then I brought my scissors over too. So this one had a nice like woodsy scent, as you would probably expect. The fragrance notes listed, it says smoky, woodsy aromas of fir needle, oak moss, and red berry. I would say that's pretty accurate. I could smell a little bit of the fir needle in there, but it's a good scent, I like it. Look at all that glue. That was a lot. I think it'd be fun to work in their little like production line or factory and like put all these in there. It'd be a fun job. Oh gosh, it's so slippery. It almost feels like part of the bag is melted to it. It's like sealed in a different spot. Sneak it out there. There we go. Well, that's kind of cool. And it goes up a little in the center, so I wonder, you might be able to stack that with another ring. I'm gonna go ahead and enter the code, see if I won anything. No winner there. It appraised for $25, 25 reward points, Has like a pearlescent stone, yellow pink, like a purplish orange yellow, and then the pearlescent again. It's pretty cool. So I will go ahead and insert the bath bomb demo, and we'll see what I get with that one. So here's the bath bomb. I was able to get it out intact. They've been putting like a little red strip in the plastic cellophane, and that does make it easier to open. I typically cut each side of it with my nail scissors, that way I can pull up on it like a tab. And I haven't broken a bath bomb in a while, knock on wood. And though this one smelled pretty masculine, I did not come out of the tub smelling like a campfire, which I appreciate. But it did smell good while I was in there. It just wasn't too overpowering. So I feel like it was a good balance of the fragrance. And I'm super excited for the next couple part 2 items. There's some really awesome ones that they released. Of course, I ordered them all, but they're going to be spaced out. They didn't release them on the same day. So I might get like one week and have to wait another week to get another one, but they will be put up in order. So make sure you subscribe and stay tuned if you want to follow along on this mystery. And hopefully they do more stuff like this in the future. I think it's pretty fun. I've always loved witches, and it's kind of taken like a witch type theme going on. And I think that's actually what Raylan might be for Halloween. There's some Halloween songs she watches on YouTube where they talk about witches, and now she wants to be a witch. So I'll probably dress up as a witch with her if that's the case. So here's the water. Very bright orangish yellow color. And the ring I got. This ring also did appraise for $25 with 25 reward points. No winner. But there have been some pretty interesting rings in this series. And here they both are. Can't really stack it because the one jewel sticks up a little bit higher. But you might be able to pair it with a different ring. So that's what I got for you today. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.